Hey, TweakGuys here. Today we will be showing you how to download Instagram videos. Firstly, download documents from App Store. Now open Instagram and choose the desired video you wanted to download and select copy link. Now open Documents and search Insta Video Downloader. Open the second link from Google Search. Scroll down and paste the link and press Download Instagram Video. Now click on Download Video in MP4. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel and don't forget to like the video.